Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add fulfillment services in Wix. If you're running an online store and want to streamline your order processing by connecting with third-party fulfillment providers, this feature can save you a ton of time and effort. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. To begin, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, take a look at the left navigation menu. Scroll down towards the bottom where you'll find the settings option and click on it. This is your central hub for managing all the behind-the-scenes configurations of your site. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll see various sections organized by category. Look for the business solutions section, and within it, locate shipping, delivery, and fulfillment. Click on it to access all your shipping and fulfillment options. This is where Wix allows you to control how orders are processed and shipped to your customers. From here, you'll see the shipping setup for both international and domestic shipping that you currently have configured on your Wix account. Scroll down to the bottom part of this page where you'll find a section labeled Fulfillment Services. Click on Manage Fulfillment Services to proceed. This is where you'll be able to add and manage all your fulfillment providers. On the Order Fulfillment menu, you'll notice several options available for adding a fulfillment type. You can choose from third-party services such as the ones listed on Big Blue, which are pre-integrated with Wix. Alternatively, you can search through the App Market for additional fulfillment services by clicking on the App Market link. This opens up a wider range of options if you're looking for something specific, or if you prefer to add a fulfiller manually, simply click on the plus Add Fulfiller button. If you decide to manually add a fulfiller, click on that button and a small window will appear on your screen. Start by entering the name of your fulfiller in the provided field, followed by their email address. This is important because it's how Wix will communicate order details to them. Next, you'll need to select how the email should be sent to this fulfillment service. You'll see 3 radio button options: when order is paid, when order is placed, or manually send an email. Choose the one that best fits your workflow and business needs. Once you've configured everything according to your preferences, simply click on Save and Continue. And that's it. You've now successfully set up fulfillment services in Wix, allowing your store to automatically or manually send order information to your fulfillment partners. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.